Hey everyone, Emily from ARC here, and today I want to demonstrate a couple of techniques to make it easier to don compression socks. Compression socks are notorious. We all have used them, or we've had patients who have used them, but for all the good they do, they can do more harm trying to put them on, and our patients are always frustrated. So today I want to show you a couple of devices that I use to make this a little bit easier for patients, for caregivers, and for even clinicians like ourselves. And the first device up is our Doff'N'Donner. So this is a silicone tube that kind of rolls up and down the limb. It can be used for compression garments, upper body or lower body. And it's pretty fun to play with too. So let me demonstrate how I use this to don a lower extremity compression garment. You can see here this compression garment is an open toe garment and has silicone on the inside to help it stay up. So for a lower extremity compression garment like this, how I would teach my patient to use it, or caregiver, is to put the garment on my arm first of all. Pull it up your arm, and if for a lower extremity garment, it should fit on the arm pretty handily. Push it up your arm like so, and grab your Doff'N'Donner. We're going to roll this onto the arm and roll it up. The Doff'N'Donner also you can purchase this tube where you can put the compression sock on there, but the arm can work just as well and is free. So once you get the Doff'N'Donner up, you're going to start unrolling it down with the compression garment attached. As you can see, it can be a little tricky at first. Make sure you get all the way around and bring it down like so. Okay, once you have the top of the sock on, you can just push down and the Doff'N'Donner will use its own movement to pick up the rest of the garment. Tuck the top of it inside and keep rolling down until the bottom of the garment has worked all its way through the other side. So as you can see here, that open-toed garment is here at the bottom. Now you're ready to put it on the leg. So I'll demonstrate on my own foot here. Place this top part on the top of the foot, and we're going to just push. Using the Doff'N'Donner, which is very easy to push, we're just pushing it down the foot and the leg and unrolling onto the leg like so. The Doff'N'Donner can go all the way up if you need it to, and you can readjust the garment as it fits you or your patient best. And that is how to use the Doff'N'Donner. Now, the great thing about this is that, as you know, annoying as it might be or seem to be putting it on and off that way, once you're ready to take your compression garment off, say for example if you're having a shower, you can remove it the same way, and then you're set up for next time around. You bring your Doff'N'Donner up, take the edge of your garment, roll it around, and very straightforwardly, the garment will almost roll itself off. And what you are left with is exactly what you started with. And in this way, Doff'N'Donner can be really, really useful to roll on and off. There is no pushing, no pulling required whatsoever, just finger flexibility for rolling on the Doff'N'Donner. If finger flexibility is an issue for your patient and you want to see another type of device, go check out our video on using the Magnide for compression garment donning. I'll see you next time on the Therapy 4.